Here we have the Galaxy Watch 3, which may be the most complete package in a smartwatch for Android users, much like the iWatch 6 is to iOS users. But starting at $399, it's still a hefty investment. So are the new features worth it? In this video, we're going over key features, seeing who this product would actually be good for, how it compares to the competition, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. So stay tuned. Let's get into the video. Samsung has had a number of smartwatches in its lineup over the years. It seems they've taken the best of the Gear S, Active, and original Galaxy Watch lines and incorporated them into the Galaxy Watch 3, including bringing back the rotating bezel, which makes this possibly the best Android smartwatch available. The 41mm base model comes in Samsung's signature color, Mystic Bronze. This new color matches their latest Note 20 Ultra and the new Buds Live. So now you can be color coordinated. Or it also comes in Mystic Silver, which is still very cool and less gimmicky. The genuine leather straps add nice, sophisticated aesthetics to the more traditional looking watch design. This is great for more serious nights out, and of course you can always swap out the straps with silicone ones if you have a more active lifestyle. The AMOLED display is extremely bright and easy to read even in broad daylight, including the always on feature. If you're a fan of watch faces, the Galaxy Watch 3 comes with 80,000 to choose from. Fans of the rotating bezel will be delighted. It's back. We found using the physical bezel was useful, along with both side buttons. It made for a practical alternative to swiping and tapping. We found Samsung's Tizen OS offered impressive performance, customizations, and numerous useful apps. However, we really missed the seamless integration of Google services, especially for Android users. The response time was great, launching and switching apps was fast and fluid, and of course the bezel navigation is completely intuitive. This makes it extremely easy to use. For added fun, it even features motion gestures to silence alarms, take photos, and answer calls. You just clench and unclench your fist. When it comes to fitness and health features, Samsung really went all out. Besides being able to track 40 different activities, it can also track several of them automatically. You don't have to remember to select it beforehand. It has all the standard fitness tracking features, but adds an FDA-approved ECG monitor, keeping pace with Apple's offerings. The sleep tracking is equally impressive due to Samsung's partnership with the National Sleep Institute. You get better tracking, accuracy, and insights, especially with its SpO2 sensor that detects breathing disturbances while sleeping. And of course, no premium fitness tracker is complete without built-in GPS. There's also a new trip detection feature that hopefully you won't need. But if it does detect that you're not moving after a hard fall, it immediately calls your emergency contact and shares your location. One area that the Galaxy Watch 3 excels over the Apple Watch 6 is its battery performance. You're getting up to 2 days depending on the watch variant. Compare this to Apple's 18 hours. That being said, the original Galaxy Watch boasted over 4 days of battery life, so it's still a little disappointing. Samsung Pay is included, but it only works with NFC-enabled terminals. Those aren't as popular yet as traditional contactless payments that work with almost all credit card terminals. So what's the verdict? If you don't need the latest and greatest smartwatch, there are some great alternatives, including Samsung's Active 2. It offers almost the same package for far less. But like the rest of Samsung's premium offerings, if you're willing to splurge, we think this is definitely one of the best Android smartwatches out there. It has great looks, the return of the rotating bezel, FDA-approved ECG monitoring, and comprehensive fitness and health tracking. That's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give us a like. Please consider subscribing. On this channel, we review tech in a simple, straightforward manner for the average person. So if you want tech reviews made easy, be sure to subscribe. Check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing. Till next time, hope you have a great day.